How to hide music folders in music player on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are also using Samsung device just like me, just head over to your music file, and from over here you can just find out the folders at this section, and from over here to hide your any of your music folder. Let's say I want to hide the music I have present in my Bluetooth. So what I can do is simply long press on it and just click on hide button. But if you can't find it, what you can do is just click on this three dot icon over here and just click on hide folder, and just tap on the folder which you want to hide and just click on apply, and you will have successfully hidden that folder of which includes the particular song which you want to hide. So to return it back, you just have to simply tap on this three icon again and just click on hide folders again and just simply uncheck it and just click on apply, and it will bring that back to your default. So that is exactly how you can easily hide music folders in music player on your Samsung or Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.